here! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ellen Ryan, Ellen Traveling Kitchen. Hey guys, for today's video guys, showcasing in the kitchen versus Italy and Philippines. So stay tuned. And for today's video is we're gonna showcase how to cook a ragu, or basically it's beef and with some of the Italian sausages. So the first stop is my husband is in the kitchen. Sausage, Italian sausage. Sorry. Bye. Wine, red wine. Red wine for what? Some flavor.
Hello. Hello.
Sì, vai. Salsiccia, Nina. Italian salsiccia. By yours truly.
Salsiccia piccante.
Salsiccia piccante? Why?
Così.
Così. That's it. For? For taste.
Perché no?
How old is your long hair? How old is your long hair? You have a very beautiful kitchen, but small. Squeeze. Ma queste tante carni, siamo cucina 3 volte o 4, oppure facciamo lasagna, faccio bechamel made with love, homemade. So I'll be back later if you put something, okay? Let me know.
Yes.
Thank you. This gorgeous moti pulpa. Beautiful. Shake, like barista. ragu, milk, and a guccio di latte per fare cosa, boh, and a pinch of salt, sugar. Solo così? Why?
Boh.
It's just a something just to put in the ragu. He doesn't tell the secret. And then cook for 8 hours.
One night.
Cook for 1 night in a slow fire. I am your fire. So we're gonna cook this for a whole night. So we're going to watch Justice League because Justice League is for 4 hours. Yes. Yeah. Smile. Straight your back. Very good. This brand Muti is nice. Why with water?
Pulire.
To clean inside the bottle. The can. Because we don't waste any waste materials from photocatalysis. Salt by to save the Mother Earth. So any particular Filipino language that you speak, Senor? Do you know how to speak Tagalog? No, but any... Ako? Pinoy ako. Very good. Salamat. Daijeng, bye-bye. I have to play. See you later, alligator. See you in whole night tomorrow. And this is my round 2, guys, for Filipina cooking. This lovely dabby asparagus, and at the same time this flavor has also a Italian sausage and spices Italian sausage as well. So the main ingredients with this is flavor of a truffles, but since truffles is very expensive here in Italy, it's easy to find the real one, but problem is it costs a lot of money. So what I have here is I'm using the one in the bottles, and just buy in in a grocery store. So it's easy as that, guys. Just simply cut half and then remove the skin, guys, and that's it. And I prefer to chop this in small portions, so I don't have a difficulty mixing and cutting while cooking in the pan. So this is another type of sausages here in Italy. It goes the same procedure, cut in slices into thin slices, and that's it. So here is the truffles, guys, that I'm talking. Salsa tartufo, and then some just have a go olive oil, and then all the spices, garlic of course, and onions. I'm using a scallion, and here is my trick. Boom, pew pew pew. And with this I use a white wine, some gorgeous splash of white wine. Here are my Christmas flowers, so still it's Christmas in my house, to be honest. Tada! It voila! So here is my Italian sausage with truffles and asparagus, guys. So I really hope so, guys, that you enjoy my vlog today, showcasing the Italian cooking of my husband versus Filipina. So stay tuned. Big love to all. I love you.